Hi guys, my name is Erin Rocha and I'm the owner of Bluebird Upcycled Style here in Ottawa, Canada. And today I'm going to be taking you to one of my favorite places. This is my local thrift store. I'm super excited because today I'm going to take you in and I'm going to show you how to find really amazing finds that you can easily bring into your own decor. Okay, so come on with me. Hey guys, here we are. So we're inside my favorite thrift store. I'm going to start hitting the aisles and see what I can find. One of the tips that I usually tell people is when you are thrifting, some days you can come in, you can find a ton of things, and other days you can come in and you won't find anything. So I don't know how it's going to be today, but we're going to take a look and see what we can find. And while I was standing here, I have to show you this. Look at these. These are the coolest plates ever. The little fishies on them. So this is a really great find. It's tricky because when you are thrifting, it's really important to take a look around. And look how much it is. It's $1.99. Little fish plates. So first up, we're going to go check out the furniture, one of my favorite things, and we're going to see what we can find. Hopefully lots of really great stuff. Come on. Okay guys, today looks like it's going to be a really good day because I think I've only been in here for about 2 minutes, and look what I found here. So this one's already sold. Whoever got it got a really good deal. Look at this. So it does look a little bit tired, but you know what? With a little bit of paint, I think both of these would be amazing. This is a little bit of an older table as well, but I think with like a really fun bold color. And look, it even has a little drawer. Okay guys, look at this. This is a great chair. Now the great thing about thrifting at Salvation Army is that a lot of times you can come in and you can find some really great chairs. So this is solid wood. It's in great condition, and there's even a little bit of detail here on the legs. And even the fabric. Can you see the fabric? The fabric's in actually really good condition. But this would be so simple to do a DIY and put some really fun bold pattern fabric on this. And how much are they? They're only $14.99. And guys, there's 4 of them. Okay guys, I have a really important tip. So when you are thrifting, it's really important to make sure that you're looking behind things. Sometimes things can be a little bit buried under stuff. Like if you come over here and take a look, it has this, past the pink cowboy hat, and this. I think I've already walked by this piece twice now. But if you take a look, this is a gorgeous mid-century hutch. And mid-century right now is so huge in design. Anytime that you can find a mid-century piece and you can fix it up again, it's pretty awesome. And this is the top part of it. Okay, and this is crazy amazing. It's only $99. Awesome. So whenever you are thrifting, you want to make sure that you are looking underneath things because sometimes things can get hidden. Okay guys, you never know what you're gonna find when you're thrifting. Need some leather chaps? Hit your thrift store because you can find some. This is a nice solid wood dresser, and it's only $24.99. So this is great if you're looking for a dresser. The great thing about getting pieces from the thrift store is that typically most of them are solid wood because they're older furniture. And sometimes you can even find a marking in it that tells you what company made it. It doesn't look like there's one on this one. No, but this is definitely a solid wood dresser, $24.99. Way cheaper than some of the big box stores, but just throw a coat of paint on it and it would be amazing. What else? Ooh, I love this. The colors are really, they're a little bit faded, but I think it would really be quite awesome thrown into someone's decor. Good find. Okay, so I also love coming to my local thrift store when I'm looking for decor items. If you hit the accessory aisle, you'll be amazed at some of the stuff that you can find. What I do find though is you really have to make sure that you're really taking a good look, because sometimes it can be hard. Things are a little bit hidden in back. But I've only been in here for a couple of minutes, and look what I found. This woven basket. It if you go take a look at any big box store, these are quite expensive. This one here, great condition, and it's only $3.99. And I love this so much, I think I'm going to have to take it with me. And look at this. This is amazing. Look at all the detail on that. And it's only $5.99. Why I love doing this too, why I love thrifting is because it's really environmentally friendly. It's good. You're keeping things out of the dump. And it's a really inexpensive way to upcycle and really change up your decor. Look at this. These are bookends. These are so awesome. And a lot of the things here you're not going to find in a regular big box store. So make sure that you hit the accessory aisles because you'll be amazed at some of the really cool pieces that you can find. I think I found the find of the day today. This piece right here, this hutch is so awesome. If you take a look, the wood is actually in really great condition. And even if you wanted just to restore it a little bit, you could just use some hemp oil on it and it would really bring the wood to life. But I love it because it's size for people that have smaller spaces. It's a great size. It's gorgeous. It's solid wood. It even has the original brass handles on it, as you can see. And the detail on this, look at this. It's amazing. So if you wanted to paint this, you could. But you could also just leave it like this, and it would be so amazing in your decor. And guys, it's only $99. That's crazy for this. Thanks so much for coming with me today, guys, on my thrifting journey through the Salvation Army. Today was a really good day. I found some really amazing stuff, and I love thrifting. And I hope you guys are inspired to hit your local thrift stores too, because you will definitely find some amazing treasures. Now, I did find a few things today. I may have to go back in and get a few more, possibly. So, if you like this video, make sure that you hit subscribe, you follow our channel, because we do lots of videos like this, and don't forget to like.